Yo, what's good, guys? I fixed my mic volume to the correct volume. So, okay. So let's start back where we were on, I think it was day 4, day 2, 3, 4, I don't know. But I'm surprised. Here, let me go close the door again. I'll make sure the door's closed next time. Sorry. Yeah, but we're here again. Everybody's happy. I literally left the game right after. Nobody's missed anything. Haven't been working off camera. None of that. Just saving everything for you guys. I'm just hoping that this will work and the mic will work perfectly. Because this mic I have to toy with. I just got it yesterday when I made the Slime Rancher video. Everybody's like, put the Hunter Slime in there. I don't want to yet. You'll see why. I need the internet to do that. So I want it because I'm not having it jump out of here. Because I know it can jump out of there from common knowledge. From previous attempts. Let me just pull out the carrots. No, just give me all. There you go. Some food. Yeah, so I'm going to right before I upload this video, you guys will notice that I will have a Slime Rancher, hopefully have a background other than the background I have now for my fan art, my channel art. So I'm just trying to get that bigger. I mean, YouTube is hard. Like, it was my dream to start YouTube. I mean, it was my dream, and I'm trying to just. Oh, look, a Cuberry. Yes. Awesome. Okay. So we got to Cuberry 2 minutes in already. 2 minutes in. I am not doing a live stream anytime soon if anyone's asking anything about that. I know my friend Ferret has done one. Ferret Does Gaming. Go check out his channel. I hope he, tells his guys to, you know, here, you eat that. You really need that. Okay, so you gave me 2 of it. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run in here real quick. No harm. No harm done. No harm done. What did I do to you? Okay, so we have enough to get the internet. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Now, internet. Okay, I'll get the music box. Let me just grab this. Okay, watch. You ready? Put a Hunter Slime in there. I got the internet. Let me go put 6 honey ports in there. No, I missed the honey port. Aw, dang. Sorry, buddy. I just don't have enough for you yet. No, I can't do it yet. Gotta wait until they eat. And then when they come back. Oh, they eating? Yes! Oh, eat it. Eat it? Okay, I'm getting it locked and loaded. Locked and loaded! Boom! Eat it. Eat it, buddy. Eat it, buddy. Eat it. There we go. Happy Hunter Slimes! Happy Hunter Slimes! Now there. Okay, look. Watch this. They're all gonna be Hunter Slimes really quick. See how they're normal honey slimes? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Just eat it. Eat it. Okay, good. Give me the 100 warts. I'm not ready for you. Okay. Okay. Got all. They have one more fruit to feed them. Oh, no. Okay, quickly. So I'm gonna give one 100 blood. Ready? Eat them in mango. Eat them in mango. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there are 5 in there total. Oh. Your food's almost ready, Rockies. Rock slimes, I guess you could call them. Whatever. Stop eating my plorts. Okay. Music box. There we go. Got a music box. I need a music box on you, so you guys can keep calm for a little bit longer. Can I pull you guys off? Yes, I can. Yes, perfect. I just feed them a little early. I know there's a Phosopher. I haven't gotten any comments yet. I don't really know why. No comments, but I'm not surprised either. Okay. I just want to at least be able to start getting the subscribers edit. I just don't have that yet. Okay. This is dangerous. I don't care. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Give me all your leftovers. Back in your cage before you disintegrate. That stab. Ow! Why me? Ow! Give me your Q-berries. Okay. Yeah! Oh, dang it! Almost enough. So close. Let me grab all these Q-berries. Are you growing anything? Yes, you are still growing. I'm gonna grab nutrient soil so you guys make the maximum harvest. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run around and grab a lot of fruit. Crap ton of fruit. That's all I'm gonna do. Run around and get a crap ton of pogo fruit. One up here. About 1. I just need a lot of fruit. No veggies, just fruit. Not to feed my slimes. No, not to feed my slimes. Just to feed the Phosopher Largo. So we can... Oh, quickly! No, we're gonna miss them all. There's so many over here. No, we have the pogo berries. Pogo fruit, pogo fruit. Thank you for all your pogo fruit. I don't want to die. Especially with the Q-berries. They're their favorite. It's their favorite food. Oh, we got so many pogo fruit. Yes, a golden plort! Oh my gosh! I never thought I'd get one so early! Okay, that's the new thumbnail. Right there, meeting new gold slimes. That's gonna be the name of the video. Meeting a gold slime. And I'm gonna put this somewhere special. And it's not, I'm gonna put it in a silo. Oh, I got a golden plort, guys. I don't think you guys will ever get one. I only gotten 2 in my whole game. I never got one in my favorite game. There's 18 right there because it's its favorite. Can you pop? Are you getting close to popping? You're not even close to popping. Nothing. Darn! I'd be darned. I'm gonna grab all my energy so I don't die with this beautiful golden plort. Go, 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 go! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! No, quickly! Don't kill me! Please! Quickly! Run! Run, 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 run! Over here! Any special things I could do over here? I really don't think there are. Except killing this car over here. Yeet! Yeet! Leave here at once! You don't belong here. Let me move my mouse. Sorry, I bumped the mic again. Oh no! No, don't take him! Stop it, you tar! You silly things. Pesky little creatures. Okay, I'm not touching you again. Okay, bye. Not my not even over there now. I thought I'd never see one of you. Oh yeah, the other side of this tree. I forgot. So many pogo fruit. I need to go make a seed. Need to get an absolute crap ton of plorts. Apparently you guys aren't hungry. You might be. Eat it. You're not going to eat it? Okay. Eat that. All I want is your rock plorts. All I want is your rock plorts. Can I have that rock plort? Can I have that rock plort? Can I have a rock plort? Can I have a rock plorts? Okay, I need to head home. Feed these carrots to them. I need to save the carrots. The veggies. The fruit for phosphors. I mean, I don't need any more phosphor rock. I don't need any more phosphor rocks. This golden plort is so valuable. I'm gonna put it in a silo where I never touch it. Won't you open up that window? And if anyone's asking, why don't you just capture the golden slime that you saw a few minutes ago? You cannot capture gold slimes. Period. Yep, period. I just said it. You cannot capture golden slimes. It's impossible to capture golden slimes. Ow! Will ye step? Okay. I don't think I have enough. But... oh, I don't have enough. Just a little bit more. I don't have enough. Can you eat? Yes! Here, look. Do that. I need to feed you that ASF. Here, look. Where's the last guy at? Did he fall out? No, he didn't. You're already hungry again? Eat it. I need a friggin' pork collector. Dude, I need a friggin' pork collector, dude. Move. Move! I need a pork collector. And I'm not getting one until I get this silo in my freaking silo. Until I get this pork in my silo. I know it gives you 200, but it's more valuable than anything in the game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a silo back here. Gold plort. It'll be safe in there for the rest of its life. Span. I said span. I did say span. Hey look, Pulse Wave is available. Nice. Give me these mangoes. Yeah, I'll take them in mangoes. They're always good for my friends. Favorite slimes need them. The hunter slimes, everybody knows it now. They're so cute when they're not mad. And I want to keep them cute. Let's go eat up get something that helps me collect quartz. Yeah. You know, I have to go in here by hand and go collect their things. They're not mad. They're not happy either. I'll go collect them. Oh, I have enough for both. Nice. Okay. Throw 2 in there. There and there. Plort collector. And then a plort collector. Here, I'm just gonna collect all the quartz. There we go. So I don't have to go into there and get hurt. Every 2 seconds of my freaking life. Every 2 seconds of my freaking life. No, the pogo fruit! I need them! Stop munching on them! Stop munching on the pogo fruit! Just that one! Okay. Got one. Go get a crap ton of them. Pogo fruit tree over here! Dang it. Okay. Put that one. Doesn't look like anything's happened over there. Especially to those ones. Okay, I'm just going to look for a little bit more fruit so I can hopefully feed this thing and go to the indigo quarry. That would be cool. Go somewhere new. Going somewhere new is always good. Here, let me go to the... I'm just gonna go... No, I'm gonna need to feed them first. How about that? Yeah, I'm gonna feed them first. Hey, Tar! Hey, Tar! What over here? Boop! 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 You can eat that pink one. Okay, sure. You're not eating. Face it. You're not supposed to be eating. This guy back down here is supposed to be eating. You're not even shaking. Okay. 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 Oh, Orbeez! Yes! Oh, run, 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 run. Bok, 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 Okay. Not my thing. Again? Damn. Just... feel ashamed. Hey, look. Oh my god. That's why I rarely ever see them. They turn into tars almost instantly. I guess I could use these. Okay, I haven't been talking for a little bit, which makes me feel somewhat ashamed. Sorry, but... eat things. Really? You need to eat. Which one needs to eat? Which one needs to eat again? Okay, you need to. Okay. Got any happy little quartz? No, you don't. Okay. Come on. Stop broken up by the music. You're not singing carols. Ferret, he's a good friend of mine. Everybody, I just mentioned him earlier in the video. But basically, he is the guy that plays. He plays, but he never gets home as early as I am right now. He never gets home and plays this early. So I'm always here first. And I hope I get some early views. I'm gonna upload this pretty fast. Try the best I can to get the logo going again. Just gotta change the 1 to 2 and I should be fine. I'm just saving up money to get, not that, but the other place. The grotto. Because I want that place. So all I have to do now, oh dang, I should have saved some of those other fruits. But I mean, I'm gonna go check down here to see if there are any special guys down here. Another golden port. Wow, I never thought. I didn't even feed him. He fed himself. Isn't that just amazing? Oh, clover fruits. Another golden port. Again. I'm gonna go put you in the silo where the golden ports belong. I'm gonna go put the plorts where I can, and I'm gonna try to get them up to like 1,000 so I can instantly get 100,000 points. That would be awesome. I doubt that would happen. With my luck. With my usual luck, it's very bad, so. Ooh, golden plorts. No, where'd the golden plort go? No golden plort. You. Get in the silo. You can see the gold bar filling up, I think. No, you can't. Yes, you can though. Can you? No, you can't. Look at those things. They look awesome. Awesome. I should get like a real golden port. Like, if I was rich, that's what I would get, kind of thing. Here, let me gimme. Stamp. Give me all of your pogos. You're gonna be sad. I hate them. Well, fine. I'll leave everyone except one. I'm greedy. Your little quartz. Got 10. Nice. They eat pretty often. That's the problem about them. They will eat pretty often. But they get angry after a day or something. It's the only good thing. Dang it, just a little off. I mean, I'll get a little money by feeding the Gordo to its max. I should get it to max with these 10 Q berries. Hopefully. You want that food? I know you're trying to get the food. Here, I'll get you back up there. Where you've been. Oh, and you've wanted to go up there. Okay. I'll get you both up there. With a carrot and then 2 things. Right up. There you go, guys. Have a good life. On that horrible mountain where you guys wanted to so-called wanted to live. So you wanted to live. Did that guy just steal my pogo fruit? You're mean. Literally. Okay. If he wants to commit suicide, he can commit suicide. To be honest here, I really don't care. But I I need to get the grotto open because I am trying to get a special type of slime in the Indigo Quarry also. There's two special new slimes that you can only get in the Indigo Quarry. One of them is newer than others. Oh, okay, you're already filled, right? Okay, you're filled. Yeah, blow up into your little foes first. Your slime key. Yeet! Oh my god. Open! Okay, those are slime. Have a good life! You guys are gonna come to our real soon, dude. God, no. Okay, not asking questions. Just getting out of here. Being rock player go. Being rock player go. They get really hungry really fast in this area. That's why. You think I'm gonna open this door? Yeah, no. That's not the Indigo Quarry. But the Indigo Quarry is over here. Oh, well, I'm not gonna go yet, obviously. I don't feel like it. Actually, it's not worth it yet. It's not actually worth it yet. I just don't give no crap to that slime. 27-minute mark! We're not exploring the Indigo, yeah, we'll explore the Indigo Quarry on this one. I'm such a dumb YouTuber. I suck at doing cliffhangers. I don't like doing cliffhangers because what's it called? I always like to play a game and go explore. Like, this isn't the game that you explore in. Like, that's what this game is. Like, you explore the game a lot. You have enough for the grotto. In there now. Give me all your boards, all of them. And I'm gonna get enough money, hopefully get enough money. I'm going to hopefully get enough money to get the next thing. Okay, sell everything for food. There we go. Still not enough, but I mean, I'm not selling my golden ports. People are probably spamming me, yelling at me, hating on me because of that. I mean, okay. Happy slime makes for happy. High walls, internet, and soul. I don't need solar shield. You look pretty weird. Okay. Okay. We'll go to day 5. No, we'll go to day 7. We'll go to day 10. That will be the max. That will be the max that we'll go to. Sleep now. Quickly. Okay, stay to 5. Anything special? No, but everyone's hungry. Yay. Boy. Everyone's hungry. I'm getting them food. Okay. All of the underground. I know I'm not getting any upgrades. I'm not getting any upgrades. I want the power core. Well, I need the tank booster actually. But, okay. You eat that. I'm gonna go for up. I'm not gonna go for up. I'm gonna do what I have to. is just perfect. It's not been decided yet. That's a good thing. Okay. So look, get the jetpack, get the tank booster, get the power core. Boom! You happy now? Because I got what I wanted. I got what I wanted. Now let's go to the Indigo Quarry. I'm looking for 2 specific types of slimes. And those slimes will be announced when we get there. Pick up carrots first because they both eat veggies. There's a hint. And it's not the rock slime. They don't live. Well, the rock slime does live there, but it's not the rock slime. Yee! Go ahead, eat all those, okay? You can die. Wait, no, I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna save you. And I'm gonna give you a new home with the feral slimes. Here. There you go. Eat that board. Now they're feral. How much time does it take? Holy crap, I think it's already sad. Just wait, you stupid feral slimes. 3, 2, 1, here we go. The Indigo Quarry. A nice place. A peaceful place. It's always peaceful. A new place. New food. And when you get closer to it, the deeper it gets. I have the jetpack now, but the money I will make from these 2 slimes is so big that I will feed him later, okay? He gives a teleporter. That's what I want myself. Well, might as well feed him these now, because I don't know his favorite food. What's their favorite food? Heartbeats, dang it. I don't have those. Eat those. I'll be back with some more food. We are getting closer to our destination, but things that stop us. There are things that stop us. The puddle slimes. Beautiful area. Beautiful area. I will live here. Nothing special. No odd onions growing in there. But you need a jetpack to get over here. That's why I bought the jetpack. The power booster. Where's the slime at? Is the first one here? There they are, the rat slimes! Introducing! Grabbing all the rat slimes I can. Oh, blue slime. I should like always have food on me. So, yeah. The rat slimes though, I mean the golden slime. Hi golden slime, where you were at least. Any more rat slimes gonna pop out? Because, like, I'm not getting any rat slimes. Alright, time for the next one. I might have to search this one up because I haven't been there. So, oh my god, stop giving me rats. Should have bought the pulse wave. Okay, more rat slimes should be over here. Oh. Oh, I know that there are more rat slimes. Can you come to me? Fine, I'll come down. 2 rat slimes? Seriously? Fine. 3, 4 rat slimes? Okay, I'll take it, but I want 5. I'm going crazy. I Oh yeah, 2 more. That's awesome. See if we can find any crystals. Oh, I didn't see it yet. Oh, oh, you still don't know. Maybe they're Chryslers. Who knows? Oh my god, so many rats. Stop giving me so many rats. No, I don't want that many rats. It makes me sick. I'm dying. Yep, take away all my rats. I think it's this way. There's a teleporter back home. Some Okas. Some Okas and a tree and everything. There's a teleporter, but there's another way you can go. This way. I'm pretty sure this is where I have to be. I know there's a treasure pod over there. I cannot get those. I cannot get any of them yet. If you guys have been seeing me, I never went down one. I think I have to go that way again. It's down here. I don't think it is though. Oh no, it isn't. I made a wrong turn or something. I did something wrong. Might have to search it up. It's not here. But I can't go up, so I have to go back this way. Back up. The way I went. He's about to blow. Back up just in time. I think it's this way. I thought this was. This is the active. This isn't. No, that's that. Remember guys, it's the second video. Get your friends, make them subscribe. Remember, it's not over there. That's all I know. Where I need to go is not over there. Odd onions and heartbeats. I'm gonna get some radports actually. Let me get some carrots. Gonna get some carrots. Want some more cassava. Let me get those guys. Okay. Wait, I thought those guys were their favorite. Yeah, their favorite were on things. So I'm trying to get those. Okay. Fudging kidding. Don't try. You're not going to win. Look, okay. Fine. If I have to farm you in a secret area, I have to farm you in a secret area. to search it up, so sorry. I forget where it is. But the rad slimes are there. Search it up. Where the heck is this tar at? Don't eat them. Don't eat my friends. You eat in the water. You're fine. Jeez. Gross. Okay, I'm gonna search. I'm gonna pull it down the whole way. I'm trying to find it. Here, let me skip a little bit. Oh, it's right there. Oh, you cheeky little jerk. You POC. Bye. I'm not touching you guys. I just wanted that rat. Your favorite girl. Wait, no! Stop eating all the rat slime cords. Dang it. Why do they do that? See, this is what happens when you go overkill on that crowd. You did this to yourselves. Not me. Saved your life somewhat. It's up there. The special slime I was looking for is really right back there, I'm pretty sure. Pretty dumb, huh? I think this is it. Yeah, baby. This is it. Introducing the all-new Crystal Slime. Boom, there we go, there you go. Other way. I only want the crystal slimes, not the crystal quartz, thank you. So eating things. Grab all you. And split you guys into 2 cages. 7. 1 more. Crystal slime! No! Ow! God, on this. There we go. I know what I'm doing with that place. Okay, can I leave? Come up here and feed you guys. This is what the crystal slimes look like. And they poop out these things. Which are crystal quartz. I guess I can grab them. Here, I'm gonna make it your lucky day. There you go. There, you got your dreams. I'm not helping any of you. You ate the wrong fork, not me. Pesky little slimes. Okay. I got the crystal slimes and the rad quartz. And yes, I am combining the two together to make a crystal rad Largo. This will be very dangerous because this is basically an upgraded rock slime. And you guys already know what happens when you reach 100 rads, you die. So I'm making the most dangerous combination of slime. I think one of the most dangerous. If you can make an upgrade where you can mix 3 slimes to make a super Largo or something, it would be Boom, Crystal, and Rad. That's the most dangerous. Well, and if I could add 4, that would be Rock also with that. That would be like insta-kill. It would like instantly kill you almost. Like seriously. Especially if you put Tar as the 5th one. I'm going crazy, I guess you could say. Say I'm going crazy. Are you guys going? Oh no! We got some ferals. No, we got some ferals. How are you happy while you're feral? How is that possible? Beats me, I'm not asking questions. Oh no, I forgot! Dang it! No, the Q-berry stopped. Dang! Forgot about them. I forgot! Again, I have too many things in my inventory. Sorry guys, my throat hurts a lot. After this, I'm gonna give a big scream of nothing. It's gonna hurt, but it's gonna help. Okay, so we have 3 odd onions. Yes? Oh no. Give me a mid-mango. Oh no, quickly. Last one mango. Yeah. The last one mangoes. I'm gonna feed it. Okay, I guess I can like get 2 of them and then 2. And then I can put something there. Boom. And boom. And then I'll put a farm back there, but after I get all these crystal slimes in their cage correctly. They will be up here. This one's almost ready. All it needs is an air net and a music box. I mean, I'll get the book collector later, but 7. Good luck. 1, 2. Kobe! There we go! Oh, yes, perfect! I can make a farm, actually, right? I'm gonna make a farm down here. They have 5 now? Awesome! That's awesome, actually. I could get 3 gardens. So we got an odd onion growing. How many odd onions in this one? Only 1 in this crop plot? That's bad. Really bad. You guys are gonna get hungry after a while, but I can't help it. Don't put anything to feed ya. Feed ya. Love ya. Can't feed ya. Love ya. Can't feed ya. They're gonna get so mad. Oh god, please have mangoes ready. Come on, get ready! Mangoes? Darn stupid mangoes. There, eat. That should be just... Okay, so we're selling 10 each, okay? Beats me. All I know is that only hunter slimes can go crazy. Only hunter slimes. I think. I'm not sure, but they don't go to the sick phase. They don't go to the sick phase, they actually go straight to the feral. That's why you have to be careful when you breed, when you have a hunter largo. At least I got the tank upgrade. 22? Holy crap. Put some in there. I want the rest in here. Crap, some in here. Okay. Only 10? I'm kind of surprised, but then I'm not. I don't have any cubes. Okay, selling all of those first ports. Two golden ports are awesome. What's that way? There's a science place with 4 more plots. I don't feel like going down there because that's not my thing. They should put one up there. Still only 5.0. Nothing's updated since the past game. Can I get internet on there? Okay, good. Oh, hey, look, they're already growing. Okay, so these 3 will be gardens. Not sure if anything bad has happened to the gardens, but the gardens down. What's so bad about it? So we got 3 gardens. Gonna feed the rad slimes. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed the odd onion, and then I'll feed everything else. Cause I want the odd onion to get the food. Okay, look, odd onion. Crap ton of carrots. Absolute crap ton of carrots. Now I need to get the port collector. Let's go over on this side. There. So I'm gonna sell all of these plorts in hopes of getting the next cage up for the crystal slime, so I don't have to carry them around for the rest of my life. Holy crap! Okay, rad plorts are coming in. Grabbed all the new slimes except the boom slime. Yeah, well, it's okay. It's just the boom slime. Okay, so they're all happy. That's all that matters. They're happy. Okay, corral. That should work. 7 in before anything. Let's see what they do. Do they like each other? They're not doing anything. Yeah, I guess you can say they like each other. I mean, these guys like each other. Oh yeah, they really like each other. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Can you get it? Yeah, I think I got them all. I think all of them are in there. Yep! All of them are happy and healthy. Happy and healthy. More slimes in the back. Friends. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I will be playing. Oh, okay. I'm gonna end it off here. I've made this episode a little bit too long. So sorry about that, guys. If you guys have time to watch this, please watch it all. See you guys in the next one. Woo!